Hello guys, today we're gonna be teaching y'all some scripts and a little bit of animating. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just introducing stuff to the new beginners, okay? These videos help a lot of people. So basically you load into your game and what you do, you click workspace, script, and just note this is so that you can print a block, like a part, which looks like this. Now let's say it wants to choose a specific color or a transparency, but right now we're gonna do transparency. Now to do this in script form, you can easily make a part, but what if the second the player joins, you want it to be a part? I meant you want it to spawn an immediate part. Why do I keep spawning parts? So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna go to scripts. You're gonna go to a script. Just make one in the workspace, which I have already taught you, I'm pretty sure. Um, And then, wait, no. Have I even taught you? Alright, so go to workspace, search up script, click the script, and then delete all of this. And then what you're gonna write is local, then make your own name up. So I'm gonna name mine party equals instance um instance dot new, then this part space. Now what this does exactly, it spawns a party, which stands for, because you can name a local blank, whatever you want to name it, equals instance dot new equals and instance dot new, which means it will print a new x. Now what is x? Part. For our example, it is a part. Instance dot new prints a part to the workspace so that it will be printed to the real game. So let's go try this out. Where is it? There's the part. I did not spawn this. It's just a part. As you can see, there is no part to be seen, meaning that the second he joins, it spawns a part. Alright, so now if we want to do a transparency thing, we just have to do this. And then, like for an example, 1 or 0.2. What this does, it basically uses party, which equals this, which I have already explained, dot transparency, where basically it goes to the transparency section in the part and then changes the number into 0.5 immediately the second it joins. The second it spawns. Here, watch. See? Transparent. It's nearly transparent. It's only 0.5. Now, let's say that you would want to do, let me think, a brick color. Now, a brick color is changing a color where it's like this. Let's say we make a part. Let's make a part. And then we click this, and then let's say this. Dusty rose. But for now, we're just gonna deal with the default. I might need to delete this guy since we already made a this. So with this, we can easily delete this because we don't need the transparency anymore, right? So party dot brick color. Oh, you need to be exactly precise. on what color you choose, or else it won't detect it. Let's say, hold on, toothpaste. I'm pretty sure that's a color. Yup, it's a color. So now so what this does exactly, it uses party which equals to a part, and then the part will immediately check the details in the property section and then click brick color, and then the brick color will make a new color which selects toothpaste immediately. So now it will spawn a toothpaste brick. But what if you want to add the brick color and the transparency together? Well, you just need to make a second line of code, which is party dot transparency equals whatever number you want it to be. I would choose 0.5. Since if we choose 1, it is fully transparent, meaning that we can't see it anymore. As you can see, it clearly works very well, and now you know how to make part using script and how to change the brick color and the transparency. Now I'm gonna go teach you how to make animation. Now we're gonna use this guy for an example. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to avatar, and we're gonna go to animator, animation editor here. Then we're gonna select all the body, and then let's say he goes like this. Hold on, maybe he like crouches or something. Hold on, let me just animate this. Maybe 0.3 because it's currently bulging. I think that's good. And then, oh, hold on. Oh my, okay. Then it just makes it go here. 0.5, make it go up. No, just a bit more up. 0.5 up. Then force the entire body to go down because the waist is the entire thing. Then let's say he puts his arm yeah, like that. Then he moves his arm to the side a little. Now I'm just copying a YouTuber's animation thing. I mean the YouTuber's design for a crouch. I forgot what he is. I'm pretty sure it's like he has a watermelon on his head. And yeah. But if we select all of this and then click easing style, we can click like for an example bounce, or we could do, let's say, easing direction in out. Let's check this out. I forgot to mention to you. We need to just now we just gotta fix all of this stuff back to edit. Okay, then you rotate. Say 90 back to normal. I want to be okay. I'm sorry. Then just move. And then now I'm just learning how to animate so far, and I do know how to code a lot of stuff. Well, Still not entirely good. Let's rotate this. See, no, no, I think that's good. And then we just play the animation. See, it's pretty good, right? Or is it? With the bound, I think we need to just make it yes, and then I don't think that's that good. It's not that good. So I'll go make it what about an elastic? I'm teaching you what easing is. Bouncing is like, you know how you jump up and down and then it makes that little quake thing? That's what it's doing when it touches the ground. So let's say elastic. Yeah, let's do elastic. That is not good. I think we have to change it back to leaner. Linear. Yes, and we can also I think that's good. So that's how you perfectly animate. Isn't it good? If it's not good, it's fine. But what if you just don't want to? But how? But you're gonna ask yourself, hey, why is he not moving? Even if I animated him. Well, you see, it's completely different. If you want to change the way he um he looks, like not standing completely still, we can easily change that. We just have to move some stuff. Like for example, let's say we move this. Okay, make him like go here. Then let's say he's like holding a sandwich or something. See right arm, burger. Now I bet you didn't know that you can make stuff stick. Like for an example, let's say he's holding a burger. Um, what if you want them to like stick together? We can easily do that. Just select anchor. Now if you play the game, he's holding a burger. Ain't that cool? Now that's it for today's video. I feel like I passed by the limit. Nope, just 13 minutes. Bye guys.